Financial inclusion is an important policy plank, and the government at the central and state level in India has been trying to extend the reach of banking to as many people as possible. A major aspect of this extension is creation of new bank accounts and extension of credit. RBI collates all this data at a highly granular level, and we are delighted to present this data set to be used by journalists for reporting on financial aspects, particularly financial inclusion. The RBI data sets have two parts. One looks at credit. This is incredibly detailed information on credit. You can find the number of loans, the number of accounts, as well as total outstanding credit. And a user will be astounded by the depth of the data set. The data is available for 4 groups: rural, semi-urban, urban, and metropolitan. It is available for several categories for 7 classes of banks, covering the entire spectrum of public and private sector. And the credit data is available for 35 subsectors grouped into 7 sectors. So for example, a user can look at the rural section, just looking at agricultural loans, and then go deeper and explore the kinds of categories for which loans are being extended in different parts of the country. The other part of the data set is deposits, and it's equally important to track not just the credit or loan activity, but also how much of the earnings are being deposited in bank accounts. With the expansion of bank accounts, households all over the country, in rural areas, in urban areas, everywhere, have started using bank accounts regularly for daily transactions. This data set allows you to look at the distribution of accounts, the amount that is held in these deposits, and again divided by rural, semi-urban, urban, and metropolitan areas for the amount that is stored and the number of accounts that are available and active. Journalists will be able to use this data when they are reporting on financial activities in rural areas, as well as on particular sectors such as agriculture.